Hey there and welcome back to our channel. In this video I am going to show you how to redeem Dragon City Codes 2025. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First of all, you have to open your browser and search for Dragon City Redeem Code. Then click on the official Dragon City website link. Once there, tap on login and redeem. You'll see an option called login and redeem. This option you have to enter the code here, then have to tap on to login and redeem. Then after logging in, you will redirect to the home page. Tap the main menu icon at the top left corner. From the menu you have to select redeem. You will see a field to enter your code. Just type it in, then hit the redeem button and confirm by clicking the check mark. That's it, your promo code is now successfully claimed. So if this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.